Okay, today we're doing a exhaust system back pressure test on an '05 Toyota Camry. First thing you need to do is pull an O2 sensor and insert a back pressure adapter. Basically just an O2 sensor hollowed out with a vacuum line attached to it. We have a vacuum line attached to a vacuum gauge, and at idle we should have close to 0 volts on a known good car. Josh, can you rev it up to 2,000? Now as you rev it up, you see the vacuum maybe hit about 1 on the vacuum gauge, and that's known good. Okay, this is a back pressure test on a Lexus ES300. This one is known bad. It's got a clogged catalytic converter. We're again into an O2 signal, O2 port. It's the same exact engine as the Toyota Camry before, so we should be having a reading around 1 psi, but we currently have about 1.5. So go crank it up to 2,000. And we're now up at 3-4 psi, which we should be close to 0 as before. And that's a clogged catalytic converter.
That it will be a WO2, so it will go all the way up to 70.